Welcome to the Total Superyacht Fleet Dashboard tutorial. This instructional video will take you through the daily, monthly, and annual dashboards outlining their many features. Let's start with a daily dashboard, which gives you an overview of the onboard activities for each of the vessels you have been assigned to. This virtual to-do list allows you to monitor the onboard activities and identifies any activity that needs some sort of action from you. Using the icons in the status column, you can add a note to the activity by clicking the Notes icon. Once a note has been added, the icon will turn green. To view the note, simply click the green Notes icon. You can identify the progress of each task by clicking the progress marker. Red identifies the task as not yet addressed. Yellow identifies the task as currently being worked on. And green identifies the task as completed and can be removed from the list. By clicking the Remove Completed Tasks button, all the tasks identified as completed will be removed from the list. Should you be assigned to more than one vessel in the fleet, you are able to select a specific vessel from the drop-down here. In the daily dashboard, the box named Synchronization displays the date when vessel last synchronized their onboard data with the shore server and how old the shore data is. The monthly dashboard has been designed to capture and store crucial data in a graph format from the onboard activities across your entire fleet. To make reviewing the data easier, the dashboard has been divided into 5 categories and can be filtered to display a specific month, or a specific vessel, or a specific flag. The Reports and Forms table displays how many reports have been submitted by each vessel in the selected month and how many days ago the last report was submitted. In the Vessel Certificate report, the graph displays how many vessel certificates are due or expired in the selected month. The Nonconformity Table displays open, new, and closed accidents, incidents, nonconformities, and observations for each vessel in the selected month. The Mlc Table displays the completed and exceeded hours of rest for the selected month and the percentage of crew that exceeded the Mlc limits for that month. The Familiarization Table displays the new crew that joined in the selected month and if they have completed their familiarizations. The crew turnover can be reset to any date to give an accurate percentage of crew turnover during that period. The cabin inspections provides a measure of the amount of accommodation inspection that were completed in the selected month and how many days ago the last inspection was completed. The Employment Forms graph displays the amount of vessel-specific employment forms that were submitted during the selected month. The Crew Certificates graph displays the amount of crew certificates that have expired or need to be renewed in the selected month. The Crew Nationalities displays the total crew and how many different nationalities are in your entire fleet. The bar graph displays how many nationalities are in each vessel. To see the different nationalities in each vessel, click on the Vessels bar. To return to the previous graph, click on this button. The Safety section displays the risk assessments that are due in the next 30 days for each vessel and the revision date. Also, the drill reports that are scheduled to be submitted for the selected month, along with how many have been submitted and how many days ago the last drill report submitted. The safety meetings also display when the last safety meeting minutes were submitted and how many days ago the last report submitted. The monthly review displays an overview of how many accidents and incidents, as well as nonconformities and observations, that occurred each month for the selected year. The Vessel Certificate and Crew Certificate renewal graphs display the volume of certificates that need to be renewed each month for the selected year. The Hours of Rest graph displays the exceeded hours of rest in each month for the selected year. To drill down and see the exceeded hours of each vessel, click on the Months bar. To return, click here. The Notices and Circulars graph shows how many notices and circulars were sent out in each month and how many were acknowledged by your fleet. To drill down and see which vessels haven't acknowledged a notice, click on the Months bar. To return, click here. The Days to Complete NCR graph displays the average time it takes your fleet to complete a corrective action. We calculate the amount of days from the date the NCR was opened to the date when the corrective action was complete. The graph is a measure of the vessel effectiveness to complete safety tasks in a timely manner. The Top 5 ISM Issues table uses your monthly or annual master's review of the SMS to display the top 5 issues common to all vessels across your entire fleet. The annual dashboard uses the same captured data and allows you to view an annual overview of key elements across your entire fleet. You can filter by selecting a specific year, a specific vessel, or by selecting a specific flag. The value next to each heading is the total number that occurred in the selected year. The graph displays the breakdown of that total into the respective vessels they occurred in. By clicking the total figure of each section, a pie chart will display that allows you to display the analytics. To change what data the pie chart displays, select from this drop-down menu. Each section's pie chart displays different data to help you better understand what is happening across your entire fleet. For any assistance with the dashboard feature of your system, please contact support@superyachtos.com.